400 metres individual medley. Racing here, the women's 400 metres individual medley, the world record held by Katinka HOSSZU there in lane number 5, 4 minutes 20.85. Set Berlin World Cup August last year. Well, what a meet it's been so far for HOSSZU. World record 200 medley on night 1. The world record this morning in the 100 medley. Going to go after the world record, her own here in the 400. See, she was just a fraction off world record pace there in that first 50 100s. She's got a huge program this evening as well. 6 events in total, 4 gold last night. And look at that world record line. You can see on the big screen there, ladies and gentlemen. You've got to make some noise when she makes this turn because she's going to be under world record pace. So HOSSZU moves. 0.38 under world record pace. Come on, Doha, let her know. She's flying out there. Butterfly leg done into the backstroke. And HOSSZU looking for a clean sweep of the world records here. The individual medleys, 100 to 400. And really, if she could do this, she already is arguably the best short course swimmer we've ever seen. This really is remnants of what Ryan Lochte did years back at the World Short Course Championships. Just every event she goes in, she just looks amazing. Said before, really the standout has been this backstroke. Just incredible. It's a different backstroke to the one we saw here last year in Doha at the World Cup. She really is world class now. This individual backstroke leg, and we saw that with how close she came to breaking that backstroke in the 100 world record this morning. Only missed that by 15/100ths of a second. So come on, Doha, still under world record pace at halfway, 0.36 under world record pace. You've got to keep this noise going. You've got to keep the drums going. Let her know that she's right on world record here. They can hear you in the water when you make some noise. You've got to bring her home. Digging deep, and you're going to watch history in the making. Seen it already. Look at the split here at the turn. She makes the turn. She's right on world record pace exactly. So she's exactly on the same time. She swam that world record last year in Berlin. And now we really need to get behind her over these final stages. One more lap of breaststroke to go now into that final freestyle leg. See that world record line still in front of it. So come on, Doha, keep making noise. Don't go quiet on us now. You want to see a world record, you've got to help her out as well. She makes the turn just outside world record pace, but it's only 16/100ths. We know how gutsy she is. You've got to bring her home, Doha. Come on, make some noise. Don't sit silent. Clap your hands. Makes the turn now. She'll be 50 metres to swim at this turn. She comes up. There's the world record line. She's in front. She's digging so hard. Trying to do the clean sweep of world records here at the first World Cup. She makes the turn. She's under world record pace. On your feet, Doha. Everyone, let's get up. Get off your feet. Make some noise. Bring her home this final 50 metres. You're watching history here. You're watching the greatest short course swimmer probably the world has ever seen in action. You really need to bring her home. Come on, Doha. Get up. Bring her home for this world record. It's going to be so tight. That world record, 420.85. Hang on, just trying to hang on. Will she get there on the wall? Oh, just got there. What a swim, 420.83. She breaks the world record by 2/100ths of a second. Katinka HOSSZU, the Iron Lady of the pool. Unbelievable. 2 days. record books of the entire individual medley. And look, that took so much effort. Unbelievable. I don't think we've ever seen a swimmer like this in the short course pool. Gone last night, the 100 medley world record gone this morning, and the trifecta tonight, the 400 medley world record reset. Oh, the official results now being displayed on the scoreboard. Give it up, Doha, for yet again another world record to Katinka HOSSZU.